Here I am for the 6th time in the last month on a repair for my sister's Jeep. We need to change the brake pads and rotor on the rear tire here. The other side isn't making noise, but looking at the rotor over there, it looks like that should probably be done as well. These pads are down to absolutely nothing. You can see the back side of the rotor here is just all scarred up. So what I'm going to do down here is remove the 2 caliper holder bolts and then the bracket holder bolts right here and right here. Down the metal on this pad. The other one is super close behind. Alright, I'll back this parking brake off now. The small pry bar works great to get in here on the angle and loosen this adjuster up. Emergency brakes are shot. Extra parts. Here's a whole bunch of filthiness. Here's the old rotor, all scarred up. Called my sister, she does not want to do these shoes right now, so we're going to go back together without doing a parking brake on this. Let's pop that guy on backwards. Give her a little brake clean. And wipe down, get all the oil off of this. Flip it back the right way. Spray it up again. Now we'll go change the hardware on this and load the pad holder. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is look at these pins. This seal wasn't actually on right. I'm going to load this guy up with a little bit of grease. Put that back on. I already checked this one. It's greased pretty good inside. Yeah. You want to make sure these slide well, otherwise things are going to be sticky and you're just going to wear these brakes right back out. Change all of these guys. Little sliders here. That one wants to be stubborn. That one already fell out. Give these a thin coat of grease. If your brakes didn't come with this stuff, buy yourself a tube of it. It's way more cost effective than buying these things, but these came with the brakes, so I'm just going to use it up. If you've got a squealer, you want it on the side that the piston for the caliper is going to be. So this one has a squealer, caliper is going to go right here, piston is right here. Slide this one in here. Alright, pad holder is loaded. Back to the vehicle. Now it's nice to have this rotor held right in place here. So I'm just going to slide a slightly larger nut over this and finger tighten one of these. Now my rotor isn't going to cock and try to fight me on this. Pick our pads up, slide them in place, and add the bracket bolts. Take the caliper, and press this piston back in. I like to put a little brake grease right on top of the piston here too. Now let's have the caliper on. You can push in on these pins so we get them just right here. Make sure that you don't kink your brake hose. You don't want to twist this around. You don't want extra pressure on that. That in place. Now add our bolts. All that's left is pop this wheel back on and do the other side. I don't think I need to show you all that, so thanks for watching, and I hope this helped. If it did, give me a subscribe, help me out, and have a good day.